Okay, so if we just say our tasks are working, basically we just have 3 tasks here and our task is working perfectly. We can add any task, right? Now it's time to show them, display them here. So how can we do it? Okay, let's go to our controller again, and simply inside our index public function index method, I'll just create a variable called tasks, and then if I just say the name of the model and then all tasks all, and if I just die and dump tasks here and go back or refresh the page, there we go. You can see it returns a collection which has 3 array and 3 tasks, that means, and then we can see the task, right? Okay, let's just pass this to the view so we can use the compact and then tasks, right? And if you just go to our index.blade.php file and scroll down, there we go. We just have a title, basically the table here. So inside the tr, after the tr basically, and we will just close our for each loop between the tr, and basically we want to put the tr between the for each loop, and then we can say tasks as task, and before that if we just die and dump, right, the tasks, go back, refresh, and oh yeah, we just need to put the blade template syntax here. Okay, again it returns a collection, the same collection, right? And now we are using the for each loop to break this collection, and we just need the task title here. Okay, go back and refresh. There it is, task 1, 2 and 3, and we could just add something like the width of the table, the row would be something like 2em. Okay, now it looks good. Okay, give it a try. If we just add my 4th task, okay, I think there is a problem. Oh yeah, we just go back. Yeah, the get message is missing from here. Go back, refresh, and there it is, 4th task, right? And if you just add our 5th task here, there it is, the message and then the task. Now in the next video we will work on the delete functionality, right? It will be interesting. Yeah, this is the almost end of the task app project, right? So see you in the next video.